Hey everybody, welcome. I am Ganja Gimp, and it's Saturday, and even though I'm not vaping, I thought I would come on and say hi, and hopefully you all will get high while you watch this. I'm still getting over a cough, which is pretty much gone by now, but I want to give myself a couple more days or so to really make sure it's gone before I start smoking or vaping again. And actually, I know I've said it before, but I'm definitely going to come back on the vaping. Unfortunately, though, vaping is the only thing that I'm able to do by myself, on my own, which kind of sucks. Because I've been reading a lot about pre-filled cartridges, which is what I use on my vape pen batteries. And they have a lot of shit in them, chemicals and toxins and shit, and I don't like that. Um, so I gotta figure out another way that I can mitigate by myself. If any of you have any ideas, let me know down below in the comment section. That'd be cool, because I'm sure there's something out there that I just don't know about or haven't heard about yet. But better than vaping pre-filled cartridges. I'm just enjoying the day so far, and I just came from EA1 live stream, which was a lot of fun. I enjoy his live streams a lot. And if you don't know who EA1 is, I'll link his channel down below. He's a very nice fellow. I really like him a lot, and I've known him now for quite a while through YouTube. So check him out. Alright? Um, but besides that, I'm just gonna be hanging out today and taking it easy and getting rid of this cough. I hope you all have a good day today. I hope you can get out and enjoy the day and be productive. Alright then, till next time, my friends. Keep rolling.